Okay, so we're going to look at a typical example of a general activity. General activities can be quizzes, general content, such as celebrity partners or famous people. So let's try British summer, a random shot. So again, we have to tick who's present, and let's look at the activity. So, well, it's a good starting point because it's very typical of the British summer. Raining, nice strong image, good title, full screen, visible from afar, and a question, which is a good thing. Sets one thinking. What do we love about British summer? I guess this is going to be quite short. Oh, well, it's ironical, it's humor. We love the fact that the beaches are too packed and the people are too overweight. Um, Good picture. Rain, well, that's very typical. Full screen, very clear message. Old-fashioned style of beach houses, very good picture, good layout. A bit blurred, but still worth having because it's very clear what it's all about. Um, that's a nice picture, and it's very simple. Two lonely souls on a beach because everyone's probably gone home because of the rain. Surfing, well, there's lots of surfing in the UK, but guess what? No waves. Typical in the UK. So I'm enjoying this. It's quite funny. Again, full-size picture. Um, that's just a nice picture. I don't see any wit or humor in that. It's always better if you can get wit or humor because that would be actually quite hard for the carer to know what to talk about. There's no typical storyline there, if you like. And there's certainly no storyline there, but it is a beautiful picture. So I would have ditched the one before and maybe just kept this because it's a nice picture. That, well, again, it's not really saying anything. What is it about? Well, things we love about summer, we like cycling, I guess, but these are not, they don't really have any clear message. I don't know what is going on. I, wow, there's a lot of shells there. That's quite interesting, but still not sure what's going on. I might have put some funny line across there. She sells seashells on the seashore, a typical English, I'm not sure if it's called well, a jokey line that you learn at school. Um, I guess that's quite memorable. English people are always aware of the air events that take place over the beaches. Now we get another question. Which beach did you go to as a child, as an adult? Which one is your favorite? Good questions. Get some talking. Brighton Pier, very nicely signposted and a good picture. That's a very famous beach. A lot of people would know that. I've forgotten the name. Is it Lulworth Cove? I can't remember, but a nice picture, full screen. I wouldn't put that in. That is too blurred, and we've already had a picture like that. So that wouldn't be in for me. That's Blackpool. I think I'd find a better picture of Blackpool than that, but at least it's in. So people would be guessing what these beaches are and making comments and talking and having fun. Strong picture again, the white cliffs of, well, probably not Dover, but Seaford. So we're getting to see lots of famous beaches that will stimulate recall and some classic English beach pictures. The beachside bed and breakfast and the beach huts. More beach huts. Which items do we take to the beach? Yes, this is good. I like this. This is fun. Well, I guess you take the girlfriend or the wife. Fair enough. But we're talking about sunglasses, I suppose. Um, and certainly we're going to take a pair of flip-flops, or those are flip-flops, really. Yep, so we'll get one chatting, snorkel, that's quite nice. Don't forget your swimming trunks. Don't forget your bathing gear, suntan lotion, your feet. Don't forget your feet. I suppose they mean towel. Yep, that's a very nice picture, very powerful, fun, full screen. Towels, yep. This is quite fun. Bucket and spade. They've forgotten the kids by the look of it, but books important. A very large beach ball. Yeah, I'm getting the picture. Bring the beer. It's quite fun. Water. Um, doesn't really have a message, but it sort of rounds it off quite nicely. They've got everything. They've got the beer. They've got the deck chairs. They've got the sunglasses. They're having a good time. Yeah, I quite like the message. I think probably would have had. Oh, that's not good. Well, having said that, it probably is. The point of discussion there, and certainly after those two guys. Yes, quite clever. Have your beer, have fun, but don't. What? Yeah, that's not too bad. God, that's extreme. Which things did you enjoy doing at the seaside? Sure, that's a nice picture. I guess this is fine. I think I would try and find a bit more humor in here as opposed to stating the obvious. There's a bit of humor. Good screen, a good full screen images. I might have tried to put some funny captions in here. I'm sure one can think of a few clever lines. Worth trying. Try to be as creative as you can. Have fun. Be a bit cheeky. Um, make some lines up. Try and be funny. And if we don't like the funniness that you've chosen, we'll just change it. Um, whatever you do on the beach, don't make an ass of yourself. As a spelled ASS would be a good one for that. I'm sure one could think of a funny line to put on that. Fish and chips got to be in every beach picture. That's great. So is that. I like these. Whoa. I mean, one can put some funny lines in if you want to. Impressive. Yeah, this is good. I think I might have had a title, Animals on the Beach, so people um, got a sense of this section being all about animals, but it's pretty obvious, so not that important, I guess. Yeah, that was good. Don't forget at the end of each activity to put the end slide that has the name of the activity. In this case, it was a general activity and a bit of branding, so they know that it's ended. And that is it. Not bad. Always room for improvement.